Namaste. Today's recipe is pav bhaji. Let's start by boiling all the veggies in a pressure cooker. Heat up a kadhai and put some oil and butter in it. Add haldi and chili garlic paste in it. Saute it for a while. Acha, do you know that pav bhaji originated in 1850s as a quick meal for textile mill workers in Mumbai? Now add onions, beans and capsicum in it. The word pav is a Portuguese word used for bread. Cook it for a while and then add peas. Add salt, cover it, and after some time add chopped tomatoes. Mix it all well and let it cook. Meanwhile, you can mash all the boiled vegetables. Today, pav bhaji is one of the most loved street food of India. Add the mashed veggies and then add chili powder and pav bhaji masala into it. Nearly 15 million people eat pav bhaji every other day in Mumbai alone. Yes, you heard it right. Now it's time to mix and mash it. Gradually add water, mash it and mash it as much as you can and want. After cooking for a while, now it's time for taste check. If you feel like you have added less salt or less pav bhaji masala, you can add it now. Just look at the bhaji, it's almost ready. Add coriander leaves and butter. Enjoy it with toasted pav, bread or roti. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.